It is the honor of a lifetime to be the first to welcome you to the Steve Jobs Theater. Steve's vision and passion live on here at Apple Park and everywhere in Apple. Today and always, we honor him. Jeff?
Apple Watch will notify you when it detects an elevated heart rate and you don't appear to be active. Introducing Apple Watch Series 3, and it has cellular built in. You can receive an important call with just your watch, and the number is the same number as your iPhone. You don't have to manage a separate number. The apps you rely on, like Messages, just work, and Siri's at your beck and call anytime, anywhere. Cellular is going to change the way we listen to music. Because with Apple Watch Series 3 and Apple Music, you can stream 40 million songs on your wrist. We have two versions of Series 3. There's one with cellular at $399 and a version without cellular that has all the other great features at just $329. And we're going to keep Series 1 in the line at a new starting price of $249. Orders will begin September 15th, and availability will be September 22nd. That's the update on Apple Watch, and now back to Tim.